So remember, before spring break, we determined what our conditions were. And yesterday, y'all actually started doing some of that research. I put this on the board in case we forgot. So Leah, things were a little weird because poor William isn't going to be with us for a few weeks. So now Utah and DeAndre are going to work together.
So unfortunately,
I don't know. I think they got some work done yesterday. So, okay. So y'all will be doing lung cancer. I know that Sharia's not here, David, but continue with what you were doing yesterday, and we can talk about what she's going to do. Okay? Okay. So that's where we're at from yesterday. You guys were supposed to take a look at 1 and 2. 1, because we kind of ran out of time, and then, if you got to 2. But for every condition, 157, it's also on the board if anyone needs it. And the specific direction document is on 136, which we'll really talk about tomorrow when we start to actually make the project. But remember, you should be telling me, what is the condition in your own words? Who is most affected? And why is this an important public health issue? Every answer that you give me should not be an opinion. You need to be able to back it up with evidence, right? To show that it's true. So you can't just say, someone in my second period, we had to have a conversation because they were doing obesity, and they said, who is most affected? And they said, fat people. Oh. That is not an evidence-based thing to say, correct? Joel? Not nice. That's not evidence-based. That doesn't tell me anything. So I need you to actually find, information. And that's exactly why, Daniel, that's exactly why we did this graphing analysis today too. So number 1, we're taking a look at graphs, we're taking a look at statistics, and we're looking for those statistics with our research, correct? So once again, tell me the description, and then you're going to go into genetic factors. So you need to tell me the specific genes or the specific traits that are causing this condition. Because remember, as we know, everything has a genetic and an environmental part, correct? Right. So then after you go through the genetic factors, you'll talk about those environmental and lifestyle factors. Number 4 is the most important part where you're putting it together, right? How do the genes and the environment work together? And the last part plays off of what we just learned today, where you're going to be looking for statistics, looking for those graphs, looking for that data that really ties us together and gives us a full image of what's going on. I got asked last period, what is meant by a statistic? And that's what we were talking about with the graph that we just did. Show me a graph that backs up something that you wrote. So whenever you have your brochure or your infographic or whatever it is that you're creating, you have the evidence to back it up. Okay? Do not forget that you need at least 3 links for your sources. So you need to make sure that those are in a Word document or something because they are going to be put onto your final project. So keep track of those. Okay? Do we have any questions about that? Great. So I want y'all to go ahead and get back with the groups that you were in yesterday, or that we've been in. And I'm going to come around and make sure that we are on the right track. We know what's going on, but go ahead and move now. Congrats, man. You think tomorrow's coming tomorrow? Let's see what you got. Yes. Yeah. I'll give you the other. What? Restroom? Yes. Make sure you see that. Of course, it is. Well, Great. Yeah, so I just keep going, just getting your research today. And then okay, dokie. Let's see where we got to yesterday. Yeah. Great.
Tampoco como que vienes mucho.
Shine Dion. That's Dion. Roger, do you wanna come sit up here? Cause there's room up here. Leah, she's gonna be in a group too. Anyway, oh, thank you.
Environment scandal, or are we in the middle of something?
They are working on a project, but it depends on how long.
It'll probably be in 2 minutes. Should I come get her in like 20 minutes?
That would be great.
I'll be back, okay?
Cool. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So with anxiety, this is the best. I think it's like predisposed. You had the chance to get anxiety, you have the right?
You always let me have my paper, but you're running.
That's how we bring that genetic. Does that make sense? How about over here?
Look, I'm tired, okay? I don't want to fight today. I'm kind of feeling dude, I was out. I don't know where the other guy was.
Yes? Huh? 157. One of y'all should have it. You retired. Only one of us has to check it out. Can you go really fast? Like really fast? You guys already ordered questions? Alright, that's a great idea. Thank you. Alright, y'all good. Depression, right?
Yes.
Alright, cool. Travis, I really need you to get something done. Thank you. How far did you get yesterday? You're good to go. Rock and roll. What about us? Great. Are we confused? Sometimes they make
Ours is lung cancer.
First off, statistics, here's one.
This is all that we have to do today? You don't know? What's your name?
What percent? Okay, what percent of these ages actually have depression? I mean, this study is from 2021, so. I tried finding another one, but I can't. This is the latest one I've been able to find, so. Alright, I'm gonna be like. Oh, wait, no, there's one from 2022. Let me see. Alright, August 2021 to August 2023.
Para ustedes observándolo. I think that's filling out something.
That's okay. That's what it is. I know what that is. I'm gonna find out. Alright, keep going. You're good. Y'all over here looking at
I just put the big ass red and she Then I just said that shit out loud.
Sweet, but y'all.
I'm just joking. That's what Ty said, and that's what I told him not to do. Let's make a better example. Do not do that.
Right now, we just said it was tomorrow, so we lose.
Right.
There definitely are, and I was talking to someone else too.
Like any colors or?
Angel, you are good to go to the bathroom now.
Alright, thank you.
Daniel, it looks like Ashton's making good progress, so keep it up, good job. Alright, so now that we actually have all three here, the question is, how far do we get yet? Okay, so what do we do? Anything?
What about these I'm about to get us to fill all this out and then the back. Is that enough for you?
Yeah, that's already what it is, 157, 158, because tomorrow we're actually gonna start creating a health profile, but today we're just getting all of our, finishing getting all of our information.
Okay.
We're gonna move
We're
forward.
going this way back.
Alright,
Oh, but Mr.
yes,
How do you proceed? Chapter two? Or?
not yet, just chapter one, yeah, but I was excited, I'm very excited to continue reading it.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
After you.
It's so bro, it's so crazy. I didn't see that it's left. I didn't do it.
Coming. Is your hand up too? Alright, coming to you next. Yeah, but you looked at the diamond. Look, and they're polygenic. We know what that word means. I do. There you go. I'm gonna come back. You tell me what you found out when I come back, okay?
That's not too bad.
You can get your
Set it
balance.
down. Okay, you're welcome.
That's not too bad too.
It's in our notes somewhere, but I just prefer you to look it up, because I don't know what it is. Patty Travis. Lieutenant. Yes. Alright, let's look at what Okay, so technically it has produced two lunches. Right, because if it's, well, if you're controlling sugar intake, it's just because the main thing is producing too much. It's just producing too little. Yeah, I was gonna say, so this one definitely is a big genetic factor to it, because mostly this type one is from genetics, so. Oh, yeah? Well, I can. Okay, so for this one then?
Yeah, like imagine that.
So we're talking about factors, the environmental triggers, like I need two of those to get through this question and this question. And then, what did I say, everything else like. Yeah, like five, what if, I need bills to be set, you need to tell me about bills.
That's when you're always hungry.
64,000. Oh, it does, it's in there, sorry, I was only looking at the market. Youth, nearly effective, or is it? Nearly effective, okay. Too bad. But like, wow. Yeah, so she is trying, it is a bit trigger. Okay, great, good job.
Can manage or increase in vision probably.
What do you mean?
Or is it like the visual disorder?
Alright, Ashton, what did we find out?
Oh, like. Yeah.
I'm such a scientist.
Anyways.
Great. I do know, like you said, there's definitely, it seems like more,
Okay.
it seems like there's an environmental aspect to anxiety, but you can be predisposed.
So I guess you can burn it
So
off.
like, in my family,
Yeah.
like,
You get fat.
gosh, if you just look back, every single like woman in my family has anxiety, we all like diagnosed with it, so like, there clearly has to be some sort of genetic thing, right? And so you found it, and this is one of those ones that they don't entirely know what's going on, but they know something's going on, right? Good job. Hello? Hello? Say it again? Oh, yes, for the eye stuff. Yes. Bye. Shiloh, I want you to know they want her to take all of their stuff to the front office. I was like, him. And she said her again. I said, okay.
What's up?
It's for you, for the front office for the eyeglass thing. But they just kept saying her, and I said, him. And she said, yeah, so can you have her bring all her stuff? And I said, okay.
So take all my stuff?
Take all your stuff, yeah. It's- Okay, I am sharing right now, Zoe.
Oh,
Oh, actually, Aisha, make it so that I can edit it. Since I can just view it, it says I don't have access to share it.
Field training officer.
220, is that what you said? Yeah, that's fine. Hate's a very strong word.
I don't like it.
That's better. Any particular reason why you feel that's strong like that?
I guess there's stuff like blisters that increase.
Flashlight.
Let's do the other one.
No, yeah, they're just complicated glasses. Alright, Zoe, now I'll send that to you.
I don't think it's with deficiencies.
Hey Daniel, how's it going back there?
So you say you know, we do. Well, like, it's TV.
Yeah, let's try that again, and let's go back to work, please. Continue looking for information, please, thank you.
Unhealthy, so, like, that's.
Let's figure out, I'm not this sure, go back.
I'm reaching out.
But I don't know where it's like. No, Joel had that. Yeah. You guys are good okay back there, Ty?
Oh.